And just like that, I'm back. Welcome back to the Ghost Love Music and Cooking.com. I'm Lolan the Gholston. And you know I don't measure a thing when I cook. I just sprinkle a little bit of this and a little bit of that until I hear my mama whisper, that's enough, Lolan, and I'm done with it. We're cooking a super Sunday treat that is going to be fun to eat. It just might even knock you off your feet. Oh, who knows? But check it out, boys and girls. Look, meatballs. And I've got some black forest ham in there. I got onions. I got garlic. You know, I got a little bit of this, a little bit of that seasoning in there. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of these ravioli and I'm going to mix all that together with that. And then I'm going to stuff it down with some of this pepperoni. Tomorrow on the Super Bowl, you can root for my Cowboys. Well, next year, we're going to take a bet. If you're scared, call the cops. I got everything ready. What I'm going to do is I'm going to chop it up real nice. I'm going to take my biscuits and pack it down into this butt pan. Then I'm going to mix it all together. And then when I finish with it, it's going to be unbelievable. But I just want you to see me cut up my biscuits here a little bit. I'm cutting these up. And then when I get them all finished cutting up, I'm just giving you an example of what I'm doing. Cutting up the meatballs. Oh, they's hot. Oh, that's hot. Oh my God. But the first thing you got to do when you put your biscuits in this bunt pan here, you got to put one stick of butter so it won't stick together. And then we'll go from that. We're going to put it in the oven for about 45 minutes until it get that crispy brown on top. And then, oh my goodness, it's going to be off the chain. Yeah, we're booging on down the Super Bowl. You got to pour that one stick of butter in there. That's the glue. I got that Kerrygold, butter. That stuff is amazing. It's got garlic in it and everything. So what I do is I take a little bit of this and a little bit of that and I put it in there. That's what you need to do is go to the Ghost Love Music and Cooking.com and get you some. So what you do now, look at that, boys and girls. You got to mix it up real well. I take pride with my food. I put a lot of love in it. What would you do, boys and girls? Would you put some more garlic? Oh, because that garlic, it'll do something to you. Oh, look at that. Look at that, boys and girls. Put as much as you want. And you work it in there. Now what you do is, take your butt pan and you mix all that down in there. Like this. Put it all down in there. Pack it down in there. Look at that, boys and girls. Oh, look. Pack it in there. I love it. Don't you love it? Pack it in there real good. Okay. Now we're going to put as much mozzarella cheese as you want, boys and girls. Put it in there. Right there. Oh, my goodness. It's going to be off the chains. And I've got some of this Fiesta blend. I'm going to put that in there. Oh. Man. I promise y'all. I'm going to put some of that in there. Look at that. Look at that, boys and girls. Just put it in there. Okay. It's cheap. And then I'm going to throw it in there. And when I get back and show you this masterpiece, you're going to say, Lord, Ghost, what are you doing, man? And I'm going to show it to you, baby. Put your hands together, baby. And just like that, it's done. It's ready. Can you see that crispy color? Look at it, boys and girls. I'm afraid to look. Hold on. Oh. I'm going to pull it up. And I'm not going to look because I don't know what it looks like. But you tell me, okay, boys and girls? Please tell me. I can't look. What it look like? Oh, I did it, boys and girls. I did it. Yes. Look how crispy. Oh, Lord. Look at the pepperoni. Look at the, look at that. It's just falling off of that, boys and girls. Look. Oh, my God. Oh, the ham, the ravioli, the meatballs, everything just came together, all those cheese. So, what you got to do now, boys and girls, is take some of this sauce here. I put some in here. Then you take a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and you put that in there, boys and girls. You guys think I'd be bullshitting you about this sauce. You better get you some. Look. Then what you do, boys and girls, you can do it like this. Then you just snap your piece off. Oh, look at the cheese, boys and girls. Look, this is the part of the show. I'm going to have to shove some down your throat, boys and girls. Here, take it down your mouth. Oh, God. Oh, here, let me try it for you. Unbelievable. Get you a bottle of this. Go here and get you a bottle. The Ghost Love Music and Cooking.com. And get you some. And just like that, we're out of here. Bam.